The lady frowned at him. I know just how Mirette feels, she said. I have spent a great deal of my life being told what girls and women should and should not do. Now I do many things that only men have done in the past. She looked around. No one spoke. The lady looked around again. A mess? She said. Father stepped forward. The lady smiled at him. I'm sure I can trust you, she said, to see that your daughter is taught to read and write properly, just as boys are. Father bowed. Certainly, my lady, he said. Hatshepsut turned to walk off. She looked down at me. May you have a long and fortunate life, my dear, she said. They all walked away. Father, Setep, and I were left standing alone. Father mopped his forehead. Setep looked at me. There's very little doubt, young lady, he said, that you do indeed have a fortunate life. That was how I came to learn to read and write properly, just as boys do. Great Aunt Aset never liked it, but there wasn't much she could say. Not, after all, when I had been given permission by the King of Egypt herself.
Why do you think that Setep said that she is definitely fortunate?